Alright, Valentine's Day 2014. 2014, February 14th. Getting blizzard conditions, or we were anyway. It's kind of calmed down a little bit. The plow just came. Look how tall those snowbanks are. This is the most snow we've had on the ground all winter, easily over 2 feet, I think. But interestingly enough, it's drifting. It was windy last night. As you can see, this deck here where it's bare, that's not from shoveling, that's from wind blowing across. And there's only like an inch or two here, so there's wind going across there. But see that ruler sticking up, that says 15 inches, and you can see a bit of an indentation there. I keep that shoveled in the winter so I can go look at that thermometer over there, and that's 15 plus inches where it's drifted. So that's not natural snowfall, as far as accumulation, nor is this. So it's difficult to say how much true accumulation we've gotten, but it's a significant storm. Plenty of snow on the ground. Take a look here. Yeah, look how deep it is near the house here. Yeah, we've got some accumulation. Now a lot of that is from the snowplow. Holy crap, look at this. So that's got to be between knee and waist deep for a guy my size. I'm only 5'6", but that would be over my boots, and I've got these black knee-high boots on. Crazy, I tell ya. But the plow came a little while ago. Open it up. There goes the snow plow that just went by there. See if Chris's chickens are out. Yeah, he's got a chicken out. Let's see. You in there, birds? See the chickens in that little pen there? Their butts are hanging out that little door. See if I can get closer. Boy, the snow is deep, man. Look at that. I'm worried about the snow going over my boots. Yeah, and they're going over my boots. Shit. Look at that. That's up over my knee. So, getting snow down in my boots. Alright. Come on out for your Kodak moment there, birds. I went through all this trouble to get over here. They do not like the snow. Come on, babies. So yeah, get some snow here. Look how deep that is. I don't know if that's picking up well on the camera, but let's go down and see what the road's looking like. I think the neighbor's off today. She works at the school the next town over in Newport. So I'm sure they had a snow day, and I'm sure that Chris's kids are in there doing their snow day thing. I'm sure they didn't have school today. But Chris's vehicle's gone, so I think he and Mindy are working. Or at least Chris is anyway. I saw a post from Mindy on Facebook this morning saying that when they were driving into work this morning, there was 4 inches of snow in the road. Yeah, and look at this road, man. They're keeping it plowed, but I mean, that's slippery driving. Makes me wish I had a snowmobile, because perfect conditions. Even before this storm, we'd had a couple of storms, and I walked on the snowmobile trail on Sunday, and the snowmobile trails are in perfect condition. Absolutely perfect conditions for snowmobiling. Maybe this year, maybe next year, this time I'll have a snowmobile, have my shit together, and we'll have like a winter with barely any snow. That's the way it usually works, Murphy's Law. But what are you going to do? I was hoping to get a car going by, but they're just not cooperating. But that's for the best, because it's not safe for people to be on the road in these conditions. Yeah. Oh, I meant to check something. Yeah. Yeah, this is the most snow we've had on the ground all year, or all winter. And I think it's supposed to go through most of today, and then I think it's supposed to be a little bit of snow tomorrow, but I don't expect any real accumulation from that. So, that's about it. I'm going to do a little shoveling and go back in and have some lunch. And I'll probably go for a little walk and get the mail. See how everyone's doing in town. See how town is looking. I might take a little more video of that. Yes, sir. I like that new steel roof, though. The snow just slides off there. Eventually, you see that one section where it slid off. The other snow will eventually slide off there too. Maybe not all at the same time, but. Yeah, that's the biggest the snowbanks have been this year too. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but the snowbank's as tall as me, actually a little taller. Yeah, gotta love it. It's a magical time of year. Oh yeah, one last thing. See, we just almost tripped. Still got all the Christmas outdoor stuff. All the indoor stuff is gone, packed away, but we still get the outdoor stuff. This shows the outdoor temps. I can't see it on the viewfinder, but it says 30 degrees. And that's it.